Dear kids, today we learn fruit name in A to Z. A for apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. C for chiku. C for chiku. D for dragon fruit. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. E for elderberry. F for fig. F for fig. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for honeydew. H for honeydew. I for ice apple. I for ice apple. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. L for lychee. L for lychee. M for mango. M for mango. N for nectarine. N for nectarine. O for orange. O for orange. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q for quince. Q for quince. R for raspberry. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for ugly fruit. U for ugly fruit. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for shemania. X for shemania. Y for yuzu fruit. Y for yuzu fruit. Z for zest fruit. Z for zest fruit.